up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, GP's Garage. I'm Chris, and I am here with Josh from the Heusinkveld Live and Keith from the Trash Panda Adventures. So it's a treat for all of you. So what we're doing today, we're gonna upgrade GP's radio from the stock to right there, Planet Audio, that I bought from Amazon. So just a little backstory. So recently my sound on my radio has been cutting in and out. So I started doing a little research, and come to find out I have a short somewhere, and I've been wanting to upgrade the radio, and I just think it's cool to have an upgrade radio. I know Keith has it. You have the touchscreen one, right?
Yeah,
and then Josh has one too. I'm pretty sure he's gonna upgrade, down the road. But mine just a stock radio, so been wanting to upgrade it, and so finally the time has come. We're gonna upgrade today, and this is not an installation video, but it's more like an upgrade video, so you guys can see what we're doing. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting, because last time I upgraded my radio, it took me 2 days. The sound wouldn't come on, but we have a pro right here. We have 3 guys. We have 3 guys to work with. Yeah, so hopefully it works. Alright, you guys enjoy the video. Ready?
Oh yeah, the great unboxing.
Great unboxing.
Here we go. Okay,
So what this
the box we got.
This is the remote and the bracket. The harness. Keith, this looks like your expertise there. Alright. That's the microphone, I think. Alright. So this is what the unit looks like. Yeah, we'll see. We're gonna start installing it. So this is gonna be I don't know how long, but bear with us. Hey, what's up, guys? We're right in the middle of it. We actually have to go to the store because I forgot to buy the wiring harness.
Wah wah wah.
Yeah. So, and then Keith actually had to leave. He has some family thing he has to do. But right now we are matching up our wiring harness, which is, for me, I'm not an electrical type guy. This is probably the hardest part, trying to match up, and hopefully it works. And then we're just connecting one wire to the other. We're trying to match it up, 2 different instructions. So Josh is behind the camera, so he's gonna tape for a little bit. But yeah, so this is the fun part. Like I said, I'm hoping it works out, no shortage or nothing. But other than that, yeah, so fun part.
One wire at a time.
Yep, exactly, one wire at a time. Look at that instruction.
Drawstrings and just stretches.
Yeah. All right. Alright guys, finally the stereo is installed. Pretty satisfied. I tried a couple things. I know it has the DVD players, and I really haven't tried it yet, but I know on a long trip it's gonna help. Put on the DVD and the kids can watch DVD or any movies in there, and then yeah, so far I'm pretty satisfied. I would highly recommend it if you want to get one, and just to make sure you get all the adapter and everything that comes along with it. So literally it's probably only take probably about an hour, at the most 2 hours installation, but it takes longer for me because I didn't have all the stuff that I need. A huge shout out and a big thank you to my buddy Josh and my buddy Keith. Go follow them on their Instagram and their YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to leave their the link for their YouTube channel down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.